Hello, so this is William here, and I'll be giving a quick demo of how my app operates. So this is my React Native app, and I didn't I didn't want to call it a Tesla like app because of copyright reasons. So basically, the name of the app is called Done With It, but I think I might change it to Tesla. So basically, this app incorporates the basic functions. I'm running it on an Android IAM emulator device. I'm just trying to see if I can resize it. It's not letting me. Okay, so basically, and I have a couple of buttons that I put in my application, and it also runs on my iOS. So I was able to download the Expo app, and I ran the application on my iOS device, and it runs perfectly. Unfortunately, I couldn't get an iOS emulator on my computer to show you both, but hopefully this goes good. And I printed some buttons, so I have a custom. It looks just like the Tesla homepage, but it's some different functionality. So when I click the custom order, I have a console.log one that gives me the order was pressed, and the same if I do the inventory. So my application it makes use of a flat list that allows you to scroll, and let me see if I can go slowly. Yeah, so it makes use of a flat list that just like was used on Facebook. So it was something I implemented, and there's not much stuff because I was still trying to implement some functionalities, but I wasn't getting it straight. But as of right now, I was able to get everything going. And yeah, so I use the dimensions to get the width of the window screen, and that's what I use for both the width and the height of the application, so that it fits to whichever device is being used on. And same, I also adjusted the flex. I used the flex display, and yeah. So pretty much that's the demo, and thank you very much.